Okay, to start this off, this app was fairly simple to figure out. I struggled a little bit with trying to download it only because my computer was slow. So it took 15-20 minutes to actually have the app download. But once you get into it, it was fairly simple to figure out. All you had to do was click a few buttons, um, set up your screen to where it can record you, make sure your volume's up, and press record. And that's it. I don't know how the actual process is going to be to upload it to YouTube. I haven't had to do that before, so I don't know. But the actual process of downloading the app and figuring it out was not very hard at all. So if I had to guess, this is going to be a fairly simple app to figure out in the long run and as we continue to use it, if we continue to use it. So yeah, that's about it, I believe.